Hello, guys. Welcome to module 7 of the Canva for Profits course. And today we are going to be talking about advanced copyright advanced Canva hack. So these hacks are just things that would help you save time. These are tricks that will just help you save time and design faster. So why learn this advanced hack? Because it can help you work smarter. It can unlock new features, very, very nice features, and pro level finishing that would be displayed in your visuals. Now, one of the advanced features you should learn is mockups, how to transform your designs. Now, instantly turn your designs into realistic previews that showcase your work professionally, like put your ebook cover in a tablet, all those kind of things. Display logos on a t-shirt, show business card in the hand. Canva makes all those things possible for you. Another one is background remover. One click and everything is removed. You can change your backgrounds. You can remove this, like for logos. Maybe you have white background in your logo, you want to remove it. You can do that. So you can also have professional editing of your image, clean your image well, add lightning. I used to do this for my YouTube thumbnail. Focused effect, you can blur some parts and you can make some other parts shine. Another place is animation and simple video editing. You can animate elements, you can animate your bring your text, icons, and everything to life. You can make them move. You can create video content with Canva. You can add audio transitions and can export for social media using MP4. So another thing is the AI tools in Canva. So Magic Writes, AI can write text, can write AI text generator, create captions, headline, add copy in seconds. Can mix all these things with AI for Canva, AI with ChatGPT, and mix it with Canva. Anyone you have an awesome work. Can also have Magic Design auto create branded templates that match your style and brand color. Can also auto create a template as long as you're using Canva, and most times this is in Canva Pro. So text to image, you can actually text, write something, and Canva AI just help you like turn it to image. Now, when it comes to saving time, saving shortcuts, your keyboard is duplicate, resize, align, all those things. Yeah, you can do them with your keyboard as well. I think duplicate with your keyboard is Control D. All those things we are going to be testing them out like in a live editing. There's also something called smart tool, like applying brand fonts. All those things works on Canva. Smart organization, organize folders and template for lightning faster for lightning fast access. Template reuse. You can duplicate and reuse a template. So our advanced pro tip is the transparency layer. You can actually add a transparency layer to your Canva work. You can group and lock. You can group, like, this is to prevent accidents in changing your design. You can just highlight a particular part and group it and lock the design. Like, there's also, you can also export multiple formats: PDF, PNG, MP4, depending on your need. There's something called magic resize. You can test different layouts, formats, and it will automatically resize it for you instantly. So the key takeaway here is, advanced Canva hack. This will just help you save more time. So now this is the most important part. I think the module 8 is the most important part of this Canva for profits, is how to monetize your Canva skills and turn your designs into a stream of income. So that is what we are going to be going into right now.